customer said they had the scooter for a year and they've charged it up and nothing comes up on the display. Yeah, it's literally doing nothing. So yeah, this battery is knackered. It's not enough to power this scooter, or it's not enough to take the charge from the charger. The charger is fine. It's the battery. As you can see, I was straight now. Yeah, so the battery is no good on this. So as you can see, these have a different charge connection, so I need to take this clip off to put onto this to fit this. Yeah, as you can see, I took the plug off this one to put onto the new one for it to fit the charging port. So this battery has got a glue underneath. So this should go straight in. This should go in. As you can see now, the light's red and it's taking charge. And it's all done now.